Volatile ride for ProShares Ultra Bloomberg natural gas stock price on Tuesday moving between $76.10 and $83.90. Updated on April 12, 2022, the ProShares Ultra Bloomberg natural gas stock price gained 1.09% on the last trading day, Tuesday, 12th of April 2022, rising from $77.74 to $78.59, and has now gained 3 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the day the stock fluctuated 10.25% from a day low at $76.10 to a day high of $83.90. The price has risen in 9 of the last 10 days and is up by 56.24% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, and, in total, 103,000 more shares were traded than the day before. In total, 2 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $142.46 million. The stock lies in the upper part of a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good selling opportunity for the short-term trader as reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be expected. A breakup at the top trend line at $82.14 will firstly indicate a stronger rate of rising. Given the current short-term trend, the stock is expected to rise 67.82% during the next 3 months and, with a 90% probability, hold a price between $87.21 and $137.85 at the end of this 3-month period. Signals forecast. The ProShares Ultra Bloomberg natural gas stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $69.40 and $49.29. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, February 10, 2022. And so far it has risen 169.98%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume is rising along with the price. This is considered to be a good technical signal. Support, risk stop loss on the downside. The stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $71.96 and $64.95. There is natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, ProShares Ultra Bloomberg natural gas finds support just below today's level at $71.96. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $64.95 and $64.05. This stock may move very much during the day. Volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $7.80 between high and low, or 10.25%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 9.81%. The ProShares Ultra Bloomberg natural gas stock is overbought on RSI 14 and lies in the upper part of the trend. Normally this may pose a good selling opportunity for the short-term trader, but some stocks may go long and hard while being overbought. Regardless, the high RSI together with the trend position increases the risk in higher daily movements. Volatility should be expected. A correction down in the nearby future seems very likely, and it is of great importance that the stock manages to break the trend before that occurs. Our recommended stop loss, $76, minus 3.30%. This stock has very high daily movements and this gives very high risk. The RSI 14 is 85 and this increases the risk substantially. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 42 days ago. Is ProShares Ultra Bloomberg natural gas stock a buy? ProShares Ultra Bloomberg natural gas holds several positive signals, but we still don't find these to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, It should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. Current score, 0.0000. In score indicates that our system is expecting high volatility and risk for the following trading day. Given the latest developments, we cannot determine the next direction as it may go both ways. Predicted opening price for ProShares Ultra Bloomberg Natural Gas of Wednesday, April 13, 2022. The predicted opening price is based on yesterday's movements between high, low, and the closing price. Fair opening price April 13, 2022 $79.53.